Hello everyone, I'm Anna Vanila on the channel Anna Vanila Arts. Welcome to my channel where I talk about my projects, about knitting, tapestry and all sorts of other crafts that I am doing and that I'm sharing with you, what I do and what I like to do every single day of my life, which are hobbies like crafting. I do them all the time. Every single day I do a little bit, even if when I'm off camera. So here I am today showing you the ready-made Baktus. Baktus is a shawl or scarf that you wear around your neck and to keep you warm in the winter times, but could be also worn if it's not made from wool. It could be also worn on the beach as a pareo, as a shawl to cover up. And as you can see, these are the ends. They are lovely. I've made these cords with this little doll. This is a French knitter, a dolly with a blush here and mouth and two eyes. Quite lovely looking. There are different variations of dolly like this, a doll like this. Different variations, different colors, different plastics. This one is wooden, painted wood, which is a lot more expensive than the plastic ones that you find out there on eBay or somewhere else. So you put the cord through the center, then you pull it from the bottom, and then you knit all around, each peg, each stitch all around, and you get something like this in the end. And you do the desired length that you need for your garments. I put a knot in here on purpose just so it looks a bit more interesting somehow. And I used needles number 4. I have done a simple purl stitch at the front, on the front and on the back. In the center it's plain, it doesn't have anything. This Baktus, this shawl, doesn't have any plot, any design. It's just plain, and I chose to do this way so that I can wear it with anything. I've chosen the color to be sort of palish pink, and I've chosen for it to be different flat design without any patterns on it. The beginning of a shawl of a Baktus, it's here at the bottom. You see the triangular end in here, and then you just add from sides new stitches until you get to the desired length. It all depends how long do you want for it to be. As you can see, it's quite long. I've made it quite long. It's from acrylic yarn as well. It's stretchy, as you can see, it's stretchy. It's beautiful. I like the color. I've chosen the color on purpose so that it's a richer kind of color, and the accent will be on the color more than just the design itself. These are the strings at the back that you tie up or you go around your neck or around your shoulders. So thank you very much for watching me and subscribing to see my next projects and following my artwork. So thank you very much for subscribing, and see you in the next videos. Anna Vanila, bye.